SSM Restoration. In this thrilling video, we embark on a journey like no other. Prepare to be captivated as we restore an engine motorcycle to its former glory. Join us as we dive deep into the world of vintage motorcycles, where gears and engines come alive, and history reveals itself. Watch in awe as we strip away layers of rust and grime, revealing the hidden beauty beneath. Witness the intricate craftsmanship that goes into restoring each and every part, from the engine to the handlebars and everything in between. Experience the thrill of seeing life breathe back into this mechanical beast as we polish, paint, and assemble with precision and care. Get ready to be mesmerized by the sleek curves, the vibrant colors, and the powerful roar of the engine. SSM Restoration proudly presents a masterpiece reborn, reminding us of the true artistry and timeless beauty that vintage motorcycles possess. Subscribe to our channel and join us on this extraordinary journey of resurrection, as we restore and revive motorcycles, one engine at a time. Welcome to SSM Restoration.